Have you ever wanted to keep your fashion storage for later so you can change the fashion that you already have into something else? Have you ever wanted to give your fashion to your friend to share it in some sort of way and not have to type in every one of the pieces with the dice? Well, I have the tool for you. I didn't do it, but I want to share some information about and where you can use it and how you can use it, because it's so good. So right, turn from this, go to my Ko-Fi if you want to support me, and let's get into it. So, what is this tool? I'll leave it in the description, but it's called Giu Tool. With this one, you can not only check people's builds, people's gear, and all, but also the fashion, right? You can see here, you go to fashion, you'll be able to check. Oh, actually no, this is just a Gillian article. I don't know why I did that, but look, it's cool. Again, I'm gonna show you why and how to implement it. First, I'm gonna show you what it does. You can put any account or character name of people, by the way, that have gotten this, have signed into this account. If you haven't done it, you will not appear here. So don't think that people are gonna be able to check things if you haven't really consented to it. But if you actually get inside and actually log in, people will be able to search your character. And you can go, for example, for mine, Darren's2547, click on my account, and you're gonna be able to see all of my names, all of my characters. And right now, I'm gonna be able to check as well the the fashion of it, right? I'm gonna click on one of my characters, and you're gonna see that it's gonna load kind of slowly, but it is gonna load eventually my builds, right? You can actually click here, and it'll tell you the name that I have for them and what they entail, and you'll also be able to store the build, copy the build, and also you're gonna have the equipment with the pieces. You can actually make it so it shows the stats, right? If it doesn't show the stats, you can also make it so it shows the skins. If it doesn't show the skins, and you can also show the fashion or not show the fashion, right? In this case, it will tell you all the dice, it'll tell you the pieces as well, and you can also copy fashion here, and it will tell you all the pieces that I'm using myself, right? Or whoever you're searching for. You can also click here on store fashion, and you will be able to have this little layout of everything that I'm using for this character, right? And then you can actually go back and you're gonna see all of the fashion that I have stored. And this way, if I ever want to change something, and I want to change the actually, let me go here to show you profile storage. Yeah, you can see all the fashion that I have stored from each of the characters, and you can just click here, and you will forever be here for me to remember what my cool set looked like and what pieces they had with the dice. Very useful. Now, how do you actually get in? You have to, of course, just log in, typical thing, put your email, put your username, put your password, blah blah blah. Then you have to go to your account and put profiles API, and you want to add an API key here. And what is that? Well, that's essentially a code that will link your Gilbert account to this website, so it can actually take the information that it needs in order to give, in order to have all the information from your fashion, from your builds, from your equipment templates, right? And you're gonna do this in Gilbert 2. You just go into Gilbert 2 account. You're gonna go into your profile, right? You're gonna log in right into Gilbert 2, and you're gonna get into your account, and you're gonna go to applications, right? Then you're gonna press a new key. You're gonna name it however you want. Honestly, you can put like Gilbert 2 Geary here, and you then can put the with the permissions account, characters, builds, and progression, right? You want account, characters, builds, and progression, and then create API key, and then it'll give you the code, and you will put the code here and add API key here, and that's it. Sometimes, because this feature specifically works only with API, the API might be a bit slow because it refreshes every certain amount of minutes. I don't know if it's like 5 minutes or something. Therefore, sometimes you might actually make a change. It will not appear in the website, but after you wait a little bit, it will be useful, right? And you can actually check anyone who is here, right? For example, I don't know any of these people, but I can just, you know, click on any one of them here and check their fashion, their equipments, everything. All right, if you're not comfortable with this, of course you don't have to do it. I personally really like it, and it's a good way of keeping all my fashion, and also being able to show it to you guys, because you can log in, search for my account here for Darren's247, and then, you know, check my equipments, my builds, and my fashion as well, which is very cool. And look at that, I'm just gonna be able to get inside of it here, go to this person and just check their fashion instantly, right? Like, and look at that, you can see that they're using honestly nothing on this character. I guess they just boosted it. It's pretty interesting, actually. Of all the people that I could have picked, I got a person who, you know, who, and a character that just, you know, they just boosted. That's pretty that's pretty funny. Let's try with something else. Let's try with you know, my friend's Regal Power. Okay, oh, he's not here. Of course he's not. Like, what I know, I guess there's not that many people that use this, so yeah, I guess it's gonna be hard to actually find anyone that I know that uses this website. I'm gonna need to force them to do it, honestly. That's what I'm gonna have to do. They can't not do that, right? Yeah, dude, everyone is just having like just everyone has just default skins. That's crazy. Well, look, you're gonna be able to find your friends, okay? Even if I'm very unlucky here, you are gonna be able to do it. So that's the important part, okay? I wanted to show how you could actually check anyone's fashion, but everyone has horrible fashion, so I guess I'm fucked. But look, my fashion looks cool, and you can search Darren's2547 here and find all of my characters and everything that I have. So there you go. Hopefully this helps for you guys. Hopefully this is useful, and hopefully it makes you want to, you know, get into some fashion games, some fashion stuff. And you can come to our fashion contests every Saturday, you know, to have fun and show your fashion and maybe get some gold. Of course, as well, I'll be making some more videos about some add-ons like this very soon. I want to do the Blish HOD, you know, all of the add-ons that are in Blish HOD and the ones that I use. And I want to make another video about the tool I use to track profits on Guild Wars 2, as it's very useful. So keep on for that, guys. Subscribe channel for more content like this, so you can know when it happens. Go to my Discord to talk about other stuff, of course, to see when I do events in game, some War vs. World fun things that we're gonna do very soon. And of course, go to my Ko-Fi if you want to support me. All the links will be in the description down below. Thank you very much for nope, that's not what it is. Thank you very much for watching, guys. See you guys around. Love you all. Bye bye.